Howdy partners, ready to make some magic in the kitchen? Today we're journeying to Spain, the land of siestas and something mighty delicious, churros. These crispy, sugary treats are like sunshine on a plate. Imagine, you bite into a warm churro. It's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. And that cinnamon sugar, pure heaven. Making churros at home is easier than you think. With a little patience and this here recipe, you'll be a churro champ in no time. Let's get cooking. Round up these pantry staples and let's get started. 1 cup water, half a cup unsalted butter, that's 1 stick of butter sliced up, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, plus extra for rolling, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, vegetable oil for frying, and half a cup ground cinnamon. Now let's make some dough. Grab a big old saucepan and add your water, butter, salt, and that tablespoon of sugar. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Watch it bubble. Once it's bubbly, dump in all the flour at once. Stir it up quick with a wooden spoon. Keep stirring until it forms a ball, about a minute or two. Take the pan off the heat and let it cool for a bit. You don't want to cook the eggs. Now crack in those eggs one at a time. Stir well after each egg. The dough will get kind of sticky, but that's all right. Pour enough oil in a large heavy pot to come up about 2 inches. Heat it up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius on a thermometer. While that's heating, put your dough in a piping bag with a star-shaped tip. This gives them those pretty ridges. Carefully pipe 4-inch strips of dough into the hot oil. Fry them up until they're golden brown and crispy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once they're golden, scoop them out with a slotted spoon and let them drain on paper towels. Mix that extra sugar with the cinnamon in a shallow dish. Roll the warm churros in the cinnamon sugar until they're coated. Serve them up while they're still warm. You can dunk them in chocolate sauce, caramel, or just enjoy them plain. And that's how we make churros, folks.